How to blur a number plate on CapCut PC. First, open your CapCut on the desktop. Import the video into the timeline. Right-click on it. Now copy-paste it over the original video. Select the duplicate video and go to the effect option right here and search for blur effect. Choose this blur effect and add to the duplicate layer. Then again select the video and go to the mask option in the top right corner. Click on add mask. Choose this rectangle shape and now adjust the shape as your preference. Then go to the mask settings. Click on this keyframe icon to add a keyframe into the video. Here it is. Then move the rectangle mask according to the object's position. CapCut will automatically insert keyframes as you move the masking rectangle. Now continue this till end of the video. Let's see the preview. So that's how you can blur a number plate on CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.